In the previous class, you have learned about some freedom fighters. Now I am going to tell you about remaining freedom fighters. Okay, children? He was a great freedom fighter, Dadabhai Naoroji. Children, you know Dadabhai Naoroji? Dadabhai Naoroji wrote articles and made speeches on the exploitation of India by the British, thus setting the foundation for the Indian nationalist movement. Dadabhai Naoroji wrote articles against to British government. Then look at this picture. Who is he? He was a great freedom fighter, Surendranath Banerjee. Surendranath Banerjee. Children, look at this picture. Who is he? He was great freedom fighter, Gopalakrishna Gokhale. Leaders like Surendranath Banerjee and Gopalakrishna Gokhale, representing the National Congress, submitted petitions that the British were ruling over Indian people to serve their own interests and not to the benefit of Indians. As the British government did not pay heed to the proposals and demands, the feeling of resentment grew stronger. Okay, children, observe these pictures. Who is he? He is great freedom fighter Lala Lajpati Rai. Bala Gangadhar Tilak. Bipin Chandrapal. It was Bala Gangadhar Tilak who raised the inspiring slogan, Swaraj is my birthright. He transformed the traditional Ganapati Utsav into a public celebration where patriotic ideas could be spread. He also promoted Shivaji Utsav, the birthday of great Maratha warrior Chhatrapati Shivaji. Lala Lajpat Rai, Bala Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandrapal advocated the Swarajya and Swadeshi movements involving the boycott of all imported items and the use of Indian-made goods. These three nationalist leaders were popularly known as Lal, Bal, Paul. Children, observe this picture. Who is she? She is Anip Sent, a British activist who believed in Indian self-rule, fought against her own country for the freedom of India. She helped in the formation of the Home Rule League to bring people together to fight for home rule or Swarajya. Inspired by the desire to attain independence, the people decided to boycott British made goods and to use Swadeshi things made by the people of our country. The people felt the fight the British with arms and ammunition would be more effective than this. Many young people joined secret organizations to fight against the foreign rule. Thought they were arrested and hanged. Their sacrifice drove people towards their deep love for the country. Children, Chandrasekhar Azad, Veer Shankar, and Bhagat Singh are the well-known young revolutionaries who fight against brutalities of the British with weapons. Okay children, today we are discuss about some freedom fighters. Children, today home task, learn and write some freedom fighters names. Okay children, learn and write some freedom fighters names. What is the first one? Dadabhai Naoroji. Dadabhai Naoroji. Dadabhai. Dadabhai. Naoroji. Naoroji. Dadabhai Naoroji. Second one children. Surendranath Banerjee. What is the second one children? Surendranath Banerjee. Surendranath. Surendranath. Banerjee. Surendranath Banerjee. Banerjee spelling. Once again children, Surendranath Banerjee. Surendranath. Surendranath. Banerjee. Banerjee. Surendranath Banerjee. Children, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Gopal. Gopal. Krishna. Krishna. Gokhale. Gokhale. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Fourth one children. Lala Lajpati Rai. Lala. Lajpat. Lajpat. Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai. Fifth one children. Bal. Gangadhar. Gangadhar. Tilak. Bala Gangadhar Tilak. Bipin Chandrapal. Bipin. Bipin. Chandra. Pal. Bipin Chandrapal. Okay children, once again repeat it. Dadabhai Naoroji. Surendranath Banerjee. Surendranath Banerjee. First one Dadabhai Naoroji. Second one Surendranath Banerjee. Third one children, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Fourth one children, Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai. Fifth one children, Bala Gangadhar Tilak. Bala Gangadhar Tilak. Last one children, Bipin Chandrapal. Bipin Chandrapal. Okay children, these all are our freedom fighters. Thank you. I will meet in the next class.